What, okay, so it's people, rocks. Is there anything else that you really think is critical that people miss?
Sorry. So you can't, and you and I have discussed this many times. There are two types of companies that are publicly traded anyways. Companies that use money to create wealth, and companies that already have an asset that spins off money and they give that money back to shareholders, or they use that money to buy other companies, and Nevsun is a perfect example. They gave some money back, and they preserved enough money that when it was an opportunity to help Reservoir buy a Freeport, they were there for it. And that's, I think, going to be a spectacular investment for them. So for companies that use money to create wealth, you need people who can execute, but you also need people who can convey to the audience a vision of what the future could be if they succeed. Because if you don't have that person, your cost of capital is higher. And in fact, in the case of many junior stocks, your cost of capital can be infinite. And it's very rare to have a company leader who can do both, and Ira's probably one of them. Peter, I don't know you that well, but you might be too. But you need to have that. And you and I talk about Tesla all the time. Elon uses $1 billion a year more than he produces, and yet has a $30 billion market cap, even though arithmetically or algebraically the company's worth nothing. But he's capable of portraying a vision of the future that allows people, or that makes people comfortable buying this stock for $200 a share. So the world of exploration and development works exactly the same way, and you really can't move forward in this business if you can't convey to shareholders what success looks like if all the cards fall in your favor. And they often need to, they don't always, but if you can't even convey to them what will happen if they do, then you probably won't succeed in this business.